You stuck?
Yeah.
Are you stuck? What's that little toe? You okay? Is that right? Liam, who's in there? Where's Elmo?
Missing one boy.
Where's Fox? Where's George? Where's George go? No.
Liam. Where's Rar?
George.
Liam. Liam. Where's Monkey?
Oh, you give Rar a kiss.
Where's Monkey? Is he in there? Liam. There he is! Oh! Monkey! Hey Liam. Where's Woof Woof? Where is he? Liam. Woof Woof!
Ruff, ruff, ruff. Who is it?
Liam. Where's Henry? Where's Henry? Henry.
Oh, so cute.
That's everybody. Where Hudson go? And he's at school. He's a real person. He's probably in bed now.